Left that alone. That cat me name, brother, and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That not go happen. That will never happen. Negative vibes, you know? Yeah, you try to be like positive vibes all the time, you know? And anyway, you see like something right if you got negative, you try to stop it. Yeah, you try to get rid of the negative, you know? That can't take away your love what you have, you know? No, you have your love in you, you know? But you see, you can't make the love what you have in you carry you to wreck. You understand me? So you have to know in yourself, so you can't too love too much, you know? You understand me? You have to love on a distance and a balance.
True, man.
Yeah.
Long spoon.
Definitely. Because it don't make no sense. Me love you. And you can't see the way where me love you.
True, man.
But you only see the way where you love me. You understand me? You have to see the way where me love you too. Yeah, man. You have to see it kind of like me have it and I hide it.
True, man.
Me I show it. So I just, you not upset enough for my love. You understand me? That's why you can't see it to show, say, me love you. You understand me? Yeah, you not upset enough for my love, but
just pretend we accept.
I say you go for real in a life, you know. Because people are going to tell you, say, them are this and them are that, you know. But on the end of the day, you know, have no time to see who you is, you know. You understand me?
True, man.
But he might tell himself, say, him are this and him are that, but he never have no time to see who you is. People have to take time out and look and see things too, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. For instance, me go among somebody and them tell me, say, oh, me, go on like, me a leader.
Yes. Man?
Yeah, no. And me I say then, you're not proud to see me as a leader. And I say, yeah. I say, no, you're not proud to see me as a leader. Well, she wouldn't say that to me. You that terms it the other way to me. You understand me? Oh, you was say it to me, you know. It's like, yeah, tell me, say, it's like me a fight to be a leader. You understand me? Me not fight for being a leader. Me not fight for lead nobody. And you want to follow me. You understand me? So that shows me is a leader. If me never had a leader, why you want to follow me? You understand? Me never one day and come and tell you, say, you follow me. Because I'm a leader. Follow that way. Me never yet do that. You see the way where me a trade and want to follow it. So that shows you, say, me is a leader. You understand me? Yeah, me never come one day come praise myself as no leader. Me a lead myself.
True.
Yeah, so if you see me a lead myself and you want to follow the way, it's up to you.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, man, then you come follow the way and want me to follow, you know? Eh?
And a good style.
No. Not do that. Me not go do that. You understand that? Me not go do that because me not go change my energy. Me still I go be who me is. You understand me? If me used to cost 10 bad word a day, you know, and I say me can cost 5 when it come to the next day. You understand me? But it's not that you gonna make me stop cuss bad.
That's true, man.
Me in person of myself, I go stop cuss bad word for my own. Yeah, and if me like you, you can't make me hate you. And me in person of my own, if you go hate you. Yeah, because all what you do, you know, me still not hate you, you know. Me have to find that within myself. Me hate you. Yeah, then me can't hate you for what you do. Can't hate you for how you live. Remember, you never do me nothing, you know.
No.
So I mean and myself now have to find something to hate you. And that will never blood clot happen, because me not deal with no hate, you know. No, me not deal with no farmer hate. So every day, me always I go have more love. You understand me?
That's right.
Me not ask, man. Lady, make me get a beer now, please. Yeah, man, and more love. Me say to you thing, brother. So more love, more life, more prosperity every day. 3 beer want, yeah? 3 beer. Yeah, more hot one. Man, a part of life, man. Good part of life we are telling about. So we have to be like brothers keeper. And when we say brothers keeper, me no mean keeper if you keep me like true, me have money. You can watch me money for me. You understand me? Me mean keeper when me say keeper. You be brother's keeper. That means to say if we are brother without a dollar, we are brother with a dollar. You understand me?
That's right.
Yeah, and the dollar make we be brother. We are brother without a dollar. So no money, no going to for me brother shit. And me know that from my heart. No money, no make me and you be brother. No time. You notice a brother me call everybody. Yeah. A brother me call everybody.
Go on, brother.
Yeah. A brother me say, you know. So within myself me I say no. And I nothing if I say brother and I show the brother love.
True.
You understand me? So I say, you see me there and I'm gonna say, you know, so me I keep a party up at Mount Pleasant. And me I say, yeah, up Mount Pleasant. And I say, yeah, man. And I say, boy, I would have like you forward, you know. And I say, yeah. At the end of the day, that should have been cash. You understand me? But at the end of the day, I look forward for Bawdacat forward. For him get a strength, like, give him a support time bar. More people will come out. He will get more support because Bawdacat did it, so he will get more support. And me turn up enough of them without getting pay if he go. You understand me? And me go and me spend my money. And them get them strength and me move and a man say, yes, Scott, respect, thanks for turn up. And that's it. That me believe is a brotherly love, you know? You understand me? I share the love all over. Look, when you get me get support from them might in another way. You understand me?
Can you watch a video?
Yeah, so me might not have the cash raw if you take out grown and give every man. But there is way where me can support you. So most people may look on them and me say, then keep a thing, man.
Okay.
Keep a little something. And me will turn up.
You will put me on the poster too, man.
All right.
You want more people come.
Definitely, I know.
So,
Bawdacat is here, you know.
all me want to
get a
say,
lot of
when
support.
you now watch my video them, watch the ads.
Watch the ads.
That's all me a
Just
beg
not-
for. Me
not
support
jump the
anything
ads,
full.
because the moment you jump the ads, you're not support.
No, you're not
You
support.
understand me? So from the ads chip in, you left and make
Watch
you
it
run the
late,
show.
man. I
will
could have wonder why I come
forward.
for.
Yeah, the show will come forward, you know? Yeah. So me always I go congratulate to my brother them. Whether blood brother or loving brother or whatever you put it as. You understand me? I congratulate to my brother them, man. Yeah, man. Me have my brother them and I know say a blood brother them and there is nothing can go between me and them. There is nothing at all can part me and my brother them. Not at all. So a man expects them. When me can't tell you, me can't tell you nothing about me and my brother them, you know. Me can't tell you nothing about me and my brother them, you know, because there is nothing with me and my brother them. You understand me? Mama know say I just glory. Me I say. Yeah. Well, you know, in a life, you know, people always have a little ups and downs, you know. Things will happen at times. People get misunderstood. And, you know, people displease. Wishing I hurt you can't please everybody. You know? You have to try to please yourself. Yeah. And on a hard time, people, and on a hard journey. Life is just a precious thing that's we have to just full joy. Up full in a brother. Greatness, man. Morning. When you look on the side, a certain side of life, you know.
Yeah.
People life is just glittering like the sunlight. You know?
Yeah.
But how much people see it like that?
Yeah.
A few people see it like that, man. Yeah, man. It's like, you know, value my life as how you value fear, you know? You value my life more cheaper than fear. Yeah. You see the value where me own in my life, in my position, then me own a lot of value then. You know?
Yeah.
Whole heap of asset you might have in my life. That can never show us my life value more and fear, you know.
That's all right.
Well, I saw some people value it. Some people value it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand me? Man, I was a blood can't much a Bawdacat this. Me can't pay him 120,000 if he come here, so brother. Yeah, man, kind of see me I drive one pretty Benz and one Rolls Royce, and you know what I say?
Yeah.
And me eye and me ears and me nose full
Bling
of
up.
gold, and you know what I say? Everything I drop off of me, so you can't say, got $1 million for Bawdacat.
Had a good
No,
time.
I'm not so valuable.
No.
Want to me talent.
Yeah,
Want to mean person. Hey, and me buy them, all of them, where you have value with them me, you know. So you not value me.
No, you know.
Well, value them and pay for them and make them come perform your thing. Yeah, make them you come perform. You understand me? Value me car and me chain and me house and me land and where me have. Value them, make them come perform. You sure no value me? No value mean person. You understand me? Well, I saw some people value you, you know. They bling where you have on.
Yeah, bling where you have on, yes.
I know you may value so I know some may value your brother. No. Well, I saw society value things. So people all monks you take you up and value you that way that you know. Yeah man. Then remember for your house a leak, you know. For him not leak.
No
So
trouble.
him value himself more than you.
That's not right.
Yeah.
But
So
him
life
wrong.
value, brother.
He
Life
wrong,
no
you
value,
fuck.
so. No, so morning. Life equal.
Equal, because the madman is on the street can't reach a man.
Remember good no man.
Can't believe say he made
Riches
this
are not
yesterday.
no man. Because if you're not rich in blood and love, you can't
You
rich in
can't reach
vanity.
in vanity and values.
No, you can't rich
No.
in nothing else.
That's not a lie.
Right.
I always say that.
Simple so. So you have to have a lot of things first before you can reach in wealth. You understand me? Whole lot of things you have to have first before you can reach in wealth. Yeah, that now go just come so brother. Me I tell you that. For real.
You did a rotten out and you don't reach it, man.
So don't worry about that. That is not all.
Life
The
is
greatest thing is life. And
No,
when
it's
you have
married
life,
too.
just
You don't
support
want
life
one
with
friend.
love. You understand me? Yeah, man. Value life, man. Just value life, you know. Now value your house and your land. You know what I say? Value life. You better value your picnic them. You understand? Yeah. Them days value life that. Some people don't look at that, brother.
True, man.
See, and then you ring them and you brace them and on your teeth. Them something they don't value. Yeah. You can't fuck off. You fuck for no, so I go charge you the random man they will come at your place. Yeah man, me when I come with not even a ring for my finger. And a pants and a shirt and a boot and a
charge
cap.
a dear, man.
I want me charge you there you fuck. And you wouldn't even believe so that the come on here we come here so say now only old car we a drop out of.
So dear.
So dear. Yeah man.
Dear, man.
I know you a value me and me a value myself.
That's not a lie.
Yeah, if I do a value me, you take me all free, you know. Yeah, man. Then I lie.
Yeah, take
you
a
value
with
me,
you,
man. And me a value myself. Yeah, man. If
That's
it's left to you alone, you value me for nothing. Yeah.
What's that?
Real, man. So we have to just know, say, brother, a big woman thing, you know? No, big girl thing, a big woman thing, brother. Yeah, so you have to know for money type thing, you know? This thing when you have life, you know? A lot of people don't know precious it is, you know? Some more time him do even take time for know, say, you know me for worship them people you are living. You understand me?
True, man.
Yeah, man, because a many things it take you when you lose one, you know, a many it take you, you know. Yeah, so no care how one situation is. From him alive, man, in good, man. Yeah, man, I one away, man. You understand me? From you alive, I one away. Yeah, man. I take it simple, man. And if me achieve today, you can achieve tomorrow, you know, so me not go devalue like say. nothing no good for your pussy clot because you can't find nothing. And then what about the days when I couldn't? Yeah, I turn the wheel turn and I can't achieve now, you know, I can't turn for you too, you know. Yeah, man, so me not devalue you that way there, brother. No. Yeah, cause for instance, me and you there, I make $1 for the buckle stopper, yeah. And me and your dollar, I put to where we fi reach. But after a while, you go down and look on the dollar where the buckle stopper I bring forward to me and you. And I say to blood clot small.
That's not a lie.
You understand me? And not one time, you never tell me, say, cat, now give me for me 50 cents.
Yeah, me till the big up.
Keep my 50 cents and get another buckle stopper. And then we are going to collect $2. Because we have 2 buckle stopper. You understand me? So now you are going to have $1 and me are going to have $1. Right? Yes, King. So if we want to purchase another buckle stopper, we go ahead and purchase another buckle stopper so the thing will get larger. You understand me? But every time you give your 50 cents, you take your 50 cents, then my 50 cents alone are going to make the thing larger. So I go on.
You can't expect to get large with me alone.
Now you have to tell yourself something sometime now, you know. Say, you know me have a idea, cat. Make we do so. Then me can come on the drawing board, me and you we go ahead and we do so. Because if you have to collect 50 cents and you say, cat, you know, give me 25 cents this week. Put that 25 cents towards that. Definitely, you know, so we are going to do business to blood clot get in, man. You understand me? Yeah, we are turn money now together. Yeah, not tell yourself, so when me take my $25 and go and turn it for me and your money. No, remember you did gone with for your 50 cents, you know?
Yeah, so you could turn that.
So anything where me have, for me.
True.
Now anything where you have with your 50 cents and want to do with it is yours. Yeah. But only thing me I say you can come with an idea too, you know. You understand me? And tell yourself, say, cause suppose you see like me I spend my 50 cents more than 50 blood clots. Ask me what me do and how me do. You understand me?
True, man.
Ask me what me do and how me do. You see it?
Yeah,
and then you can know. Definitely. You see it?
I never 50 again.
Alright.
50
50
me get,
cent
man.
me get to like you too, man.
Turn me turn it.
Turn my 50
Yeah, I
cent.
want $5,
Definitely. Yeah.
Yo.
So man, nothing hard for it. Go down on the drawing board and see it. You know what I say?
True, man.
Yeah, man. So it can happen, brother.
Cannot, man. That cannot, man.
Sometimes when you work and collect and get paid, you know. If you flip your pay, you know. Where it turn it bigger than the next pay bill where you get, you know. You understand me? But so hard for a lot of way.
Yeah.
You understand? It's so hard for a lot of way because so many demands we have with the little pay bill. How much we can tie we belly if we flip that pay bill, if we wait for the next one. You understand? Yeah, you see a better result. You understand me? You see a better result, man, but you know, we not tie belly if we do nothing, you know? Yeah, you have to tie belly, man. I want to tie belly and tell yourself, so yeah, me I go do so, you know. Yeah. Wish me never have a problem. Me ever good. Me ever satisfied.
Yeah.
And whether me I get lump sum or me I get small sum. You understand me? Me ever good. Me ever satisfied. Me ever alright. Me never feel like me left out. Yeah. You understand me? Me always in the thing. Yeah. Back in the past, when me used to feel like me left out of some situation. You understand me?
Yeah.
Where me used to see. Which them saying everything good for talk, but you know. You just know in yourself where you used to feel like you left out.
You hold your own.
Yeah, you hold your own, you know. You do a medical public, you say you feel left out, you know. You hold your own. I'm not jealous, you know, fear for you there. You still a survive, you still a move on. You just know, say, certain time and certain space and for you. You understand me? And you fit yourself in your space and your time, you know? And I hit that, man, and life keep flowing, brother. Life keep flowing from every corner, every angle, you know? Yeah, man. And everybody a live. Mathematics are going, everything are going, you know? Everybody thing I go up, what go down, you see it? Yeah, man, and a joy, man. Me never yet try to go around and tell myself, say, things is more than me. And I can't make it, you know?
Yeah.
I always tell myself, say, the day I go come, you know? Yeah, the day going come, man, when me going can do it for myself, you know? Yeah.
I always tell myself that too.
Strengthen myself, that's me can help others. Yeah. So right now, me tell a man what they say. Where a man, what make a man think me would want have enough money? I feel enough people.
Yeah, then I must.
Yeah. Yeah, man, if me have enough money, me have enough people.
Sure.
Yeah, man, that's why I would have pre enough money. You understand me? Because I see enough people who want help.
Yeah.
And it take money. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it take money. But you see how me bend my life,
Yeah.
me can comfortable with a spoon of water, you know? Yeah, yeah. With some man if he have a whole runs a bar before him can comfortable. Then now a spoon me have, me can good with him. Yeah, man, I mean, me live my life happy in that surrounding. Yeah, until me can afford a keg of water. You know what I say? Yeah, man, so it not going to be a big thing to me to only a keg of water me can afford.
Yeah.
Me going to use my keg of water as canto. Now say life go, man. Yeah, man, you're fried for know so when I time a tank of blood clot water you have. That's what I say?
All right.
Tank of water you have. Because if me did tell myself back in the day, say, Bawdacat, nothing not going for you. Why you not do like others? You understand me? No, because I say, in them fast lane, you know, it must happen for you, you know. Some man take up some piece of oil iron and put in them waist and then turn and then say, then I have this hungry. And I have this and broke. But sometimes it's better you have it and broke and hungry.
That's all right.
Yeah, you know. Because this, I go send you to go. If you take away another man on. Yes, and I must where you want. But what happen? You go to take away the man on and the man and defend him on. What can be happen? Maybe I have to go kill the man to get fame on. Or him kill you for not take fame on. Then you think that good?
A risk, that big risk.
That no good, brother. You there's somewhere work and you get $10 fucking week. And you find say your demands gone to up to $8. So when you done work, when you done demands, now I got that $2 left. That I just to carry you back at work. You understand?
Yeah, that better than
And where you go pre now is that next work we can pay you $20 or $15, you know? Because I upgrade, yeah, so you know. Yeah, so you find, say, yeah, pre your next work, but you know, feel no way you hang on from this and let it go. Until you hear, say, yes, you can check in to the next one, we are going to give you $20. Yeah, man, and you check in, man, and you find, say, the grade fucking gone up, although you work for that $20 one, you know. You're there in it, but at the same time, your mind I look for one where they way up at 30, you know, or 40 now, you know.
Right.
Yeah, your mind I look up there now. You understand me?
Yeah.
And so things are going to get better and stronger every day, God. Every time, every day, things are get better and better. Remember me tell you, them, I not tell you, so I used to sweep the road, man. I used to go sweep the road a morning time, you know. And I say, yeah, I get a pay, yes. And I appreciate the pay, I give thanks to the pay. But at the end of the day, I want a bigger salary. Because the things them get expensive every day, more and more. And you can see the things them go up in your sight, you know. So you say the blood clot, the salary and all go work, you know. I love connect salary. Yeah, I saw me head towards the site and go look at next salary. So when I go up a site, go look at work, I have a job. Yeah. Yeah. If I have a work, me have a job. Yeah. And go over there go look work. Site that I work that. Yeah. And I get it. And from that, me never go nowhere go look no more work. People call me, give me work. Yeah, me never go back nowhere go look work from that. No, the last work that me go look. Yeah, never go back go look no more work, brother. Not from that. Never. The last place that me work like that. Me go places and people give me work. People look for me and give me work. Yeah, but me never end up have to go look none. No, sir. It happen for me, it can happen for you too, you know? Yeah, man, it can happen for you too, man. Years me in this, I fight this, you know? Living with me dollar, you know? I know, say, yeah, that's what me can achieve. Yeah, man, and that me have to live with, you know? Yeah, man. So right now, if me find me a paint, me I make $10, me can spend 5 blood clot dollar a day. It's up to me.
True, man.
Me couldn't never spend none. It's up to me, you know, say, yeah, brother, spend your money, man. Your money, live your life, live happy.
True, man.
Yeah. Just live and live happy. Anything will make you happy, do it. Yeah.
I tell you, man.
Do what make you happy.
How long hard you live in life?
Live what kind of life? Kind of rascal life.
So now you get the chance to
Go buy a piece of chicken back and some rice and come back and cook. And get a little wash off and lay down and sleep till daylight. You go back on the hard work. Or if you consider which hard work, where you go get some work. Then life doesn't mean I live in life. Sometimes you're stressed down when you do get little some feet. You're stressed to pussy clot, you can't even hear me.
Can't hear me.
Because the miles where you have to go through to get pound of rice and pound of chicken back to pussy clot. And one little draw weed for go whole base. You know what I say? You can't keep back for 1 2 hours and cook and eat and drink. You're tired when you're done your fuck. Yeah, man. Miles you go forget this, brother. Miles. Yes, no, man. Miles you go for carrying that, you know. Yeah, man. So if you find yourself have money now, can buy things, just buy things, man. Do what you want to do, man. Do your life, man. Live your life. Cover up all the gap them you can cover up, you know? Yeah, man. Make your comfort. Live happy, you know? No make nothing break you down. No make nobody come break you down. Just try to live happy. Anybody where you find, you make you happy. You be with them, you be around them. You talk with them more often because you talk with them, you're happy. You know, it's a happiness you are look for yourself, you know? Yeah, you left to a one to look for him happiness, you know?
True.
Yeah, everyone know how for them happiness come and where them get it from. Me know me get mine, you know? Yeah, so me no fuck, we go and seek it. Yeah. I go and seek happiness, brother, and try to make myself hopeful, happy, you know? Yeah, man. I wish me could have make everybody happy sometime like how me feel, you know? I wish me could have do that. Tell me and tell you the truth from my heart. Because me have to understand what happiness is. So I wish everybody could have feel so at times. Sometimes I fucking sad too. Yes, really sad too. You understand me? Yeah, man. So me just wish there is no sad day. Yeah, just happy day, you know? Yeah, man. I don't like the sad day. The sad day, they make you fucked up, brother. Yeah, man. Real talk, man. Real talk, man. A real Bawdacat again, you know, man. We's here, you know, once more again, people. No joke. Yeah, man.
Bench talk, you know?
Yeah, man.
On life.
Enough words. Nothing for make me choke. I don't know. To us, me or to us, you know, but one time my voice just get to us.
Yeah,
you know?
That's why the fan them love you the most.
Nah, thanks, man.
On life. Alright, see you.
See you.